Guys, it's AJ, and today I'm going to be comparing two different fidget spinner games because me, myself, I have a fidget spinner. I have a black one, and I have another American flag printed one coming in, so I'll have two fidget spinners. But I'm going to start with the laser fidget hand spinner one because I'm going to do the the hand spin virtual toy. Is it? Come on. Okay, so I'll go through like every one and I'll show you like how they test out. So now this one's pretty good. No, I don't like it at all. I really don't like it because that is 0 out of 10. I really don't like that one. But I love fidget spinners. This one is pretty cool. I've never tried it before. That one's cool though. So baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stepping up that upper lip, little late. Yeah, no. Don't like that. Oh, this one's awesome. Like, these have like real features of a real fidget spinner. Like you have to tap it or hold it and it stops. Like legit, you just have to hold it and it will stop. And yeah, that's what you have to do with a fidget spinner. You put your finger up against it and it stops. And it has the thing, if you do it fast, it looks like it's going one direction and another direction, and that's the real thing with the real fidget spinner. Now I don't have this type. I have the classic black one. I'm getting the classic fidget classic American flag printed fidget spinner. Now I also do have a fidget cube too. I don't have another one coming in though. I only have one fidget cube, two fidget spinners. Now let's go on some freak off. Pretty cool. I've tried it before. Isn't that really cool? And then you go. You can't control it spinning. The first time you spin it, after you tap it and stuff to stop it, you can't. It will just keep on spinning after. See, watch. I didn't even swipe it, and it's just still spinning. That's the one thing I don't like about this game. I think there's like one more spinner. Yeah, this is the last one, see? This one's actually really cool. See, the pads aren't on this one, and there you can see the ball bearings. This one's like my favorite one. No, the oil printed one is my favorite. Okay, guys, so that's it for that one. Now let's go see the other one. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Low adding, seriously? No freaking way. No. I'm sorry, I gotta use this one first. That one looks really cool. The heck? I like this one better, but I just hate the sound that it makes. Wait, no, because that's the sound a fidget spinner actually makes. Because the other one didn't even make noise. They're actually showing it making noise. That's really good. They have the sound pretty accurate on mine, I guess. Wait, no, that sounds like cranking. Yeah, no, it's not accurate at all. No, it's not accurate. I'm hitting my fidget spinner on my screen. And that's to prove to you that I have a fidget spinner. And I don't know if you could hear this, but I'll put it up to the mic. Where is the mic? Oh, it's right here. What's that, guys? You can hear that. That's my fidget spinner. I'm putting it up to a mic while it's spinning. But you can already tell that I'm hitting it, so yeah, so that's how to prove I have a fidget spinner, and I posted a video of my fidget spinner before, so go check that out. Oh yeah, I also did in the same video, I did a review on my fidget spinner too. I mean on my fidget cube and fidget spinner. So yeah, so go check that out. Link will be in the description. Or in the link below, whatever. Go back. Oh, I have to hit this. Everything's gonna be alright. Yeah, I like these ones too a lot. See? I like that one a lot. I don't know why, like they make the noise a lot. Okay, it has the same effect. And it spins right after, yeah. It has the same effect. I feel like the other one's more accurate. These graphics are better. Sounds like it's crazy or something. The Batman one, like, if my fidget spinner actually made that noise, I'd be like, would never ever use it. I would just get a new one. Cause I hate that noise a lot. It's kind of cringy. Break off. I think the blue one's up next. No, this one's up next. Jeez, this one is like, see, I have that classic one, but it's not all white, and the bearings don't have pads over them. You get the point. Jeez, stop. Every time I exit, it's like keeping ads. Okay, no, it's not the one I have. That's the mini one, bro. I watched a YouTube video on someone that accidentally ordered mini ones. And they're so cool. I can't believe they actually have them on here. Everything's gonna be screwed with you. Damn it, that's the last one. This one's the most accurate of the one I have because it's the same exact size, legit. Wait, is that accurate size? No way. That's like kind of accurate size. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Okay. No. I said, baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. I said, baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Wait, this my black one might be a little bit bigger. Yeah, my black one's a little bit bigger, but that doesn't. Wait, no, it's actually kind of same. No, my black one's a little bit bigger. Wait, no, it's because the pads make it hard to. And mine is really hard to take the pads off, and it has a smaller bearing. This one I'm gonna try again. Tap. How big. Look how small that thing is compared to mine. I know you cannot see my fidget spinner, but Hey guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I think the one that I was on now, the laser one, is a lot better. And the next video, please turn on my post notifications so you don't miss any videos, and please subscribe and drop a like because I am gonna be doing fidget cube simulator thingy. So be sure not to miss that. So bye bye.